So here I'm at the range. I'm going to shoot the FMK with all those different rounds that are in that first picture. Going to start off with some hollow points and just see how it shoots with some different ammo. Just want to know if this is a picky gun. My Glock 19, my Glock 26, they're not picky. Now I've already shot, I guess, let me see, 50, 70, about 130 rounds through it, and I've really not had any trouble with it all, so far it's turned out to be a pretty good gun. Now the last 50 rounds I shot through it were Wolf steel cased ammo, and they shot fine. So, and I don't have any more. That was the last of my steel cased ammo, so that's a good thing because it's the cheapest. I'm shooting at this steel target right out here. It's about 30 yards out, and I did notice that this seemed to be shooting a little high, or a little low. When I was doing a 6 o'clock hold on it, I was missing when I shot that other ammo. So I'm going to shoot real high on the target, and what I can do is I can replace the front sight with a taller sight, and I may find that I need to do that. So I've got a couple mags loaded up here, and I won't bore you with loading of the mags, so I'm just going to shoot 10 rounds of each of these different kinds of ammo. So here we go. Remington Golden Saber 124 grain hollow points. Got me off the bench. Spear Gold Dots 124 grain hollow points. Hornady XTP 124 grain hollow points. CCI Blazer 124 grain aluminums. RWS 124 grain full metal jackets. So far it's doing just great, but I is definitely shooting low. Oh, there was one. It was in an RWS. Looks like a really light strike. Put her back in there and try it again. USA. These are remanufactured rounds, 124 grain, full metal jackets. Freedom Munitions, these are 147 grain full metal jackets. This is the Freedom Munitions 147 grain. These are Federal 115 grain full metal jackets. Hornady Zombie Max 115 grain. They got the special nuclear tips in them or whatever they are. The little rubber expansion dealies. You know, they're just in case. Zombie Max, just in case. This is Freedom Blaster ammo, 115 grain. This is remanufactured ammo. This is their lowest line of ammo. The Blems or whatever, I've never had any trouble with them at all. I've shot a lot of them. We'll see. Some Remington UMC jacketed hollow points, 115 grain. And some Remington, excuse me, and some Remington UMC, these 115 grain full metal jackets. Just because there were so many misses and all that, thought I'd just throw 10 down with my Glock 19 and just see if it's all the gun or me. think it's mostly the gun. Not saying there's anything wrong with it, just that I'm not used to it. Anyway, except for one light strike on an RWS that shot fine the second time, I'd say it's reliable enough. Y'all be safe, okay?